Right guys, check out what we've done on this Ferrari SF90. So, let me show you. So firstly, we've got the Novitec NF10 wheels, which are the 10-spoke, very kind of a spider sort of style, very open. You can see the whole disc looks absolutely incredible. Pretty much the most popular aftermarket wheel you can get for a Ferrari. Also comes with the Ferrari kind of style hubcaps, so looks like an OEM wheel. Really nice, obviously to matching the Scuderia shields as well. Then also the next thing we've done is the exhaust tips. So we've not gone for an exhaust because customer maybe will do that in future, but we've actually done Novitec's carbon with gold finished inside. I mean, just look at those, it's really nice. You know, on a white car, on a black car, I think gold always looks really good. And then the final thing we've done is, which I've got in my pocket, a remote kit. So what this does is open and close the valves on command. When I say you can open and close, you have an open mode, so it'll open at low revs, not when idle, but when you start moving, and then you have a normal mode, so it reverts to Ferrari OEM valve control, so it opens at 3.5 to 2,000 revs.